Start.
What's one common problem or common complaint all of us Indians have? Bad roads, right? All cities, all states we go to, there is some portion of roads which is not very well or it's not done well. If you've been to abroad, you've seen that the roads there are fantastic, they're well maintained, and their life is prolonged. Why is that? Now, one is of course the system. We cannot change that ourselves. But then the second is the quality of roads that we build. So today we are going to see how Infratex Geotech is a venture that I am proposing will be solving this particular problem for our nation. So our vision is to pioneer resource-efficient infrastructure based out of technical textiles, and our mission is to redefine the technical textile infrastructure of India, primarily focusing on geotextiles for now, and we plan to achieve or go IPO for a main board company by 2040.
Awesome.
Now, understanding the core of the problem, that is the product. If we see, these are the current layers, and around 5 to 10% of our road issues occur because of the non-uniform concentration of the materials in there. What our product will be is woven geotextile fabrics, which have already been applicant in many countries, including the European countries and the American countries, and they have been using the same product for the last 15 to 20 years, wherein the roads have a layer of geotextile fabrics. We plan to manufacture that and sell it to Indian manufacturers and government so that our roads can be as sturdy as it is abroad. Now, the current market for the Indian technical textile market, as given by the government's report published by KPMG, is around 1.17 billion in 2024, which is supposed to grow at 1.98 billion, and this is the total addressable market. Right now, for our company, what we try to obtain or serviceable optimal market for us in the next 1 or 2 years is 2 to 3 CR, and this is very easy, well, because of the 6% capital subsidy which the government is providing right now, and there is also the NTTM, which is the National Technical Textile Mission. So how do we move forward? Now, this is a capex heavy model. This is already involving a lot of capital, a lot of machinery, and a lot of production. In the city of Vichal, which is also known as the textile city of India, the Manchester city of India, we already have a setup of woven fabrics. Now, that is a very conventional commodity-based operation. Now, those machines can be again equipped with certain accessories to make sure that we can again start a production for technical textiles with an additional capex of around 9 CR. Now, how do we raise that? We already have an initial funding round of 5 CR by friends and family. We have already sourced the technology from Italy by the company ITMA, and we are also talking with the company Toyota out of Japan to have further looms which can directly make these products, and then we can sell it to the Indian market. Now, this is a breakdown of what our financials might look like. Currently, we have 5 crore secured. We are looking out for further 4.5 CR to land a deal with Toyota. We currently have a market to serve the next 1.5 year to 2 years of production, and we are very sure that once we start production, we can start scaling it upon further funding by investors and banks out there. And this is the roadmap that we are looking for. The first 1 to 2 years is wherein we are locking around, first year we are locking around 1.5 CR to 2 CR in revenue, and our second year target hits 8 CR because therein we'll have a 95% capacity in the proposed project. And moving forward, as we scale, by year 3 to 5, we are targeting at least 22 CR revenue in Indian rupees. And our horizon, that is our target, is to be a public company by 2040. That's it.
What is the capex required for making this happen in the first year?
9 CR.
9 CR capex.
9 CR is the capex, and we have already secured 5 CR.
Okay. And the technology is your own, patented, or?
No. This is already existing technology. The woven fabrics which are there, it's a commodity in itself, but then there is no manufacturer in India. There are a couple of manufacturers only. So the gap is huge right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you are seeking 4.5 crores,
Right.
I can see. At what valuations?
So currently, if we are targeting 1 to 2 CR initially, and if you look at the first 2 years of revenue, that will be around an average of 4 CR a year multiplied by 5. Currently, we'll be seeking at 20 to 22 CR valuation.
Okay. So when you are seeking 4 CR at 20 CR valuation, you are willing to dilute 20% of it.
For now, yes.
Okay, got it. Any questions, anybody? Can you see the clarity that he has right now?
Yes.
He knows the product, he knows the market, he knows the gap, he knows the TAM, he knows the SOM, he knows what he has to do, he knows the capex, he knows how much money is required, he knows what is the valuation, he knows everything pertaining to his product. That's it. It does not take more than 5 minutes to get across to the investor. So thank you so much. What's your name? Declare it to the world.
My name is Siddharth. And you can contact me on my phone number for any investors out there. It's 94225 62288.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.